Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to make Korean egg rolls, or Chinese egg rolls. Anyways, we're making egg rolls. It should take 5 to 10 minutes to prep the ingredients. I say overall 45 minutes. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below and hit that like button. Now let's get started. Now let's cut these veggies. Chop the onion. Chop the cabbage. Chop the carrot, green onion. Now slice the green onion into tiny little circles. About 3 of them should be perfect. Smash 3 garlic cloves. Slice thinly, dice thinly. 1 cup of diced cabbage. A half an onion, diced. Shred 1 half carrot. Cook 2 packs of thin rice noodles for 4 to 5 minutes and chop it 3 times. 4 teaspoons of cooking oil and add the garlic. Cook the garlic until it's a little golden brown. Then add 30 shrimps or 1 pound of shrimp. Cook this for about 5-6 minutes. Add some butter. Stir for another minute. Add the white cabbage, 1 cup. Add half a carrot. Add the white onions. Add the rice noodles. Four teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. You're going to mix this for another, I say about 2 or 3 minutes. Add the green onions and cook it for another 30 seconds. Don't overcook the green onions, everyone. Now add the cooking oil. We're going to preheat this, then we're going to roll the egg rolls. Cook this to medium-high heat. Now it's time to toss in this wrap. You guys ready? It is hot as balls in here, you guys know that? Wrap this up, literally. Place the mix into the egg roll, and now we're going to fold it from each side. Then we're going to pull from the back all the way over the whole egg roll, and we're going to pull the mix in and roll it in tight. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time, side to side, then pull from the back, then pull from the front. Place these on the plate. A plate of flour where it's dry, or you can place it in. Some people like put in an egg wash. You can pan with egg wash right before you fry it. So you can do either way. Now place the egg roll into the hot oil, medium to hot, and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until it's golden brown. And make sure you turn these egg rolls every minute. Keep rotating them, okay, so they're evenly cooked all around. You don't want to overcook one side too much, okay? So depending on how hot your oil is, it could cook in 4 minutes, but usually about 5 minutes. These are golden brown and crispy. And just remember, don't forget to keep turning these egg rolls, okay? That was easy, right? About 30, 35 minutes. But I'm missing one thing with these egg rolls for the taste test. I'm missing a nice cold beer. That's good. Now let's do the taste test. Grab a good one too. This one looks good, but they're hot, so bear with me. It's so hot. Mmm. That's good. You can taste everything. The shrimp, the hint of soy sauce, sesame oil, the cabbage. This is perfect. So if you need a quick and amazing, easy meal, make these egg rolls. And let me know what you guys think, you know, below, comment below. Have a great night. Enjoy this beer. Enjoy these egg rolls. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. Until next